Come here, baby boy. I'm not quite sure what you're doing, buddy. There we go. There you go. There you go. You gonna stand up? There you go. All the way. Careful, don't hurt yourself. Okay, you're on your knees. Halfway there. Here, use Mama's leg to crawl up. Come on. I know you can do it. There we go. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to drop the camera on you. Oh, I know, I'm such a mean mommy. You want to finish coming up here? Oh, almost. You almost had it again. Ta-da! Who can stand up? Who can stand up? Yeah, buddy! Yay, Samuel!